How are you, students? I am sure you are all well and studying with the enjoyment. If you learn the letters till R in the previous video, today we will learn about small letters next. You must have understood that capital letters are always written in the first three lines, but this is not the case with small letters. Some small letters come in the top three lines, some in the two lines of the middle, and some in the three lines below. Okay. This means when we write small letters, we use different lines for different letters. Okay. Okay, now we have learned the letters from A to R. Let's see once. Look at here. There are A to R letters. This is A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jug, K for kite, L for lotus, M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for pencil, Q for queen, R for rabbit. Okay. Now we will learn from S to Z letters. Look at here. There are S to Z letters. This is S for sun, T for tree, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra. Today we will learn about that letters. Okay. Let's start. Look at here. This is capital S and this is small s. This picture of Santa Claus. Santa Claus attends the festival of Christmas and brings gifts for children. Okay. This picture of seal. This is sun. Sun always rise in the east. This is seesaw. C is in the garden and children like to play on seesaw. Okay. So I write here both letters, capital and small s. Capital letter always come in upper three lines. Okay. And small s come in middle two lines. So I write here first of all capital S like that. Then after small s on middle two lines. I write once again. Look at here. This is capital S and this is small s. Okay. Small letters, small s come in middle two lines. Okay. Next is T. This is capital T and this is small t. This picture of tent. This is table, tooth, tree and tiger. Tiger is our national animal. Okay. So you can see here both letters are here, capital T and small t. Both letters come in upper three lines. Okay. So I write here first of all capital T like that. Then after I write small t. I write again. This is capital T and this is small t. Small capital and small both t come in upper three lines. Okay. Okay. Next letter is U. U for umbrella. This is capital U and this is small u. This picture of on. This picture of umbrella. Umbrella used in rainy season. This picture of uniform. I write here both letters capital U and small u. Capital U always come in top three lines and small u come in middle two lines. So I write here first of all capital u. Then after I write here small u. Small u come in middle two lines. Okay. Then after I repeat, I write once again capital U and this is small u. Small u come in middle two lines. Okay. Okay. Next letter is V for van. This is capital V and this is small v. This picture of vase, this is violin and this is van. This letter is capital V and this is small v. Capital V always come in upper three line and small v come in middle two lines. Okay. So I write here first of all capital V upper three lines, then after small v middle two lines. I repeat again capital V come in upper three lines and small v come in middle two lines. Okay. Then after next letter is W. This is capital W and this is small w. This picture of wheel, this is watermelon, this is watch and this picture is window. You can see here this letter is capital W and this is small w. Capital W come in upper three line and small w come in middle two lines. So I write here first of all capital W like that. Then after small w come in middle two lines. I write once again this is capital W and this is small w. Small w come in middle two lines. Okay. Next letter is X. This is capital X and this is small x. This picture of Xmas tree, this is xylophone and this is X-ray. Okay. So I write here both letters capital and small x. So I write first of all capital X upper three line like that. Then after small x middle two lines. Okay. I write once again this is capital X and this is small x. Small x come in middle two lines. Okay. Next letter is Y. This is capital Y and this is small y. This picture of H, this picture of egg and this is yo-yo. Okay. You all like play with yo-yo? Yes, na? Okay. I write here both letters capital Y and small y. So capital Y also come in upper three line and small y come in bottom three lines. Okay. So I write first of all I write capital Y upper three lines. Then after I write small y bottom three lines. Okay. Both letters come in three lines. But capital Y come in upper three line and small y come in middle bottom three lines. Okay. Okay. Then next letter is Z. This is capital Z and this is small z. Okay. This picture of zebra, this is zero, this is zip and this picture of zoo. Many types animal we can see in the zoo. Okay. So I write here both letters capital Z and small z. Capital letter always come in upper three lines but small z come in middle two lines. So I write here first of all capital Z like that. Then after small z middle two lines. I write once again this is capital Z and this is small z. Small z come in middle two lines. Okay. Okay. I am sure that you have understood all the letters taught today. If you keep trying, you will all know how to write letters and identify letters. Okay, so I give you this types homework and you do properly in your English notebook. Okay, thank you, keep it up.